Doge broke a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see, yesterday's video, we were holding this 0.124 level, and I mentioned that as long as the bulls can take control of this level and use it as support, short term, we are looking at a bullish case scenario. As of right now, we have broken the support level with two bearish engulfing candles, and things are starting to look a little worse for Doge overall. You can see that the exponential moving averages are now pushing lower, and we have that confirmation of a beautiful break of the support level, which we had medium term made at 0.116, which has now confirmed to break. Ideally, from a bullish case scenario, as long as we can hold above this 0.11 level and a continuation of the support, and then that move to the upside is still definitely possible, but we have to be very, very careful here. The reason why is you can see that we have this BART formation on the 4-hour being formed, and one break of this 0.11 level could lead this all the way back down to the 0.08. We have to be very, very careful entering any sort of long positions as of right now, because before we were hovering over this level, things were a little bit more safer. You can see that we tested that level multiple times, then we saw multiple breakouts, but as of right now, looking at Doge, this does not look good, right? What we want to see is a possible retest confirmation and that continuation, but you can see we have tested this level before once, and now this would become the second time. What we don't want to see is this retest confirmation to the upside, use it 0.124 as a resistance, and then come back down. That would give us a confirmation of a shorting opportunity, and we have to be very, very careful about that. Looking at the hourly time frames for Doge, you can see that we did get a very clear indication of a move to the downside. You can see previously we were holding this level as support. We had multiple tests of these wicks and that confirmation, then we got that bullish break above. But as of right now, we have the same sort of situation. You can see how the three test confirmation plays out perfectly. Number one, we had multiple tests over here, and then we got the confirmation of the upside. This was the second test confirmation. We held that support and then continued pushing higher, and now we are looking at the third test, which usually ends in a break formation. You can see on the third test, we tried to hold above that level, failed, used the exponential moving averages as resistance, and got this massive bearish engulfing candle breaking down. We are now seeing the same sort of formation on Doge, where we are seeing multiple smaller candles form, so we have to be very, very careful. Ideally, what I would like to see is maybe one more retest of these exponential moving averages, get that confirmation, and then see whether or not that 0.11 level will hold. Of course, on the 4-hour time frames, if we do see a bullish momentum candle, what we have to do is break above that 0.124 level and start to use that as support. Anything below that would make Doge obviously become in a more bearish state, and I don't want to be obviously more biased towards Doge being a short, but we have to be very careful around this level at 0.11. This level holding is the last resort for the bullish case scenario, because of the fact you can see when we had this massive move up, we used this level as a pullback and then that continuation. When you have this level having a break formation, this would lead into my overall analysis that Doge would be completing this overall BART formation. Of course, if we do see that bullish momentum candle and a continuation at 0.168, we have to obviously be very, very careful we don't see one massive bullish engulfing and then that bearish engulfing breaking back down like we saw over on Bitcoin. We would have to use that 0.168 as that support for a continuation on Doge. But if we do start to see that move and then see that resistance, that would give that confirmation for that local top to be entering a shorting position on Doge overall. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a